James from Pipe Doctor Home Services. Probably wondering, what's going on? What am I doing? Well, it's 8:45 at night. I am not on my way into work. Haven't had too many emergencies going on lately, which kind of stinks. I enjoy going on a good nightly emergency and fixing people's problems late at night. But no, I'm on my way on an adventure to my local Home Depot in Hempstead, New York. Not to knock them, but it is my least favorite Home Depot out of all the ones that I've visited on Long Island. I would definitely say go during the daytime. This one and the one over by Green Acres Mall, which I think is considered Valley Stream. But anyway, I'm heading over there because I want to go pick up something that I've been wanting to get for a long time. It showed online that they had one in stock, so we'll see if they have it when I get there. And yeah, I've seen, I'll show you when we get there. It's gonna be a little bit of a surprise, but I've seen a lot of videos online, on Instagram and TikTok. I've even had an old coworker that had the much nicer version of this tool, which I am not spending that kind of money on. But we'll make sure they have it in person, because sometimes their online thing sucks and it says they have something, in reality they don't. But we'll see when I get there. I will show you guys what it is that we're going to be picking up, take it home, unbox it, and hopefully I can use it at some point this week and get it in action and give my own personal review on it, whether I like it or not. If I don't like it, I could always just return it. So we'll go into the store in a second here and see if we can find it. All right, so this is what I'm here for. I'd love to get this one day, but I want to get this. This is what I wanted. Let's see. Chain knocker expands, blah, blah, blah. So this is the K9-12. I don't think they have the more expensive version. Nope. Now the question is, does it come with the chain head on it? See, they said they had one in stock and they got two. Such liars on their website. I'm going to assume that it has the chain head and that I don't have to order it separately, because that would really suck. Let's see. Yeah, I got the drill. Kit includes cleaning machine, plain single chain knocker. Okay, perfect. The hex key and the instruction manual. So the only thing you need is the drill. All right. Awesome. Super excited. K9-12. Yeah, these sectional machines are really cool too. Garbage, 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 garbage. The Milwaukee ones are cool. All right. Is there anything else? No. I can't come into the plumbing aisles at Home Depot, because then I start looking at everything. All the crap that they try to sell to people. Like these flexible, hate these things. Please don't, if you're ever trying to do a water heater on your own, please don't ever install these. All right, let's go check out. I love whenever I come to Home Depot and I go down the plumbing aisles, and there's always someone trying to find like a specific cartridge or a specific fitting, or they're trying to convert from 1/2-inch IPS to sweat to PVC to whatever type of crap they're doing. So I always like to stop and help out, because 9 times out of 10 the Home Depot associate has absolutely no idea. And so people will be like, "Oh, you're a plumber?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And they're like, "Oh, would you be able to maybe help me out sometime?" And I'm like, "No. You could always just call a company, or call the company I work for, and that would be your best bet." All right, so I got the flex shaft here. I just want to save this receipt. We'll take it home and we will get this thing unboxed and take a look at it and see. I've read mixed reviews online for it. I know that A lot of people are like, it's a great tool to have in your arsenal. It's very lightweight. It's versatile. It's fantastic. Especially if you saw the video that I posted the other day with that greased up kitchen line. Let's say the guy didn't want to go for the jetting with that. Instead of trying to cable snake it, I could have done it with this chain knocker. And, you know, ideally you want to have water flowing behind it as you're doing the chain knocking, because all that stuff that you're breaking up, you want to get it flowing through the line and get it cleared out. But it would have been perfect for that situation. Or even yesterday I had a clogged shower drain that was completely, it was almost like cement with the shampoo and the body wash and all the hair and everything. This would have been nice to just stick down even before it gets to the trap, just to stick it down the line, just to get it, you know, cleared up. I was sitting there with like a piece of threaded rod after I snaked it. I was sitting there with a piece of threaded rod, like breaking up all that crap that was in there. So I'm excited to get this unboxed, and then I'm also excited to start using it in the field and see, you know, how it goes. So yeah, let's get this thing home and let's see what it looks like. All right, here in my kitchen, and trying to not talk too loudly, because if you just saw, it's getting the kids to sleep. This is almost 9:30 at night, and it's a school night. So we got the K9-12 here. I want to get it opened and out of the box. And just go over it, take a look at it, see the quality of it. I mean, it's made by Rigid. I own their pipe wrenches. I own their pipe cutters. They always make very good quality products. I'm not even sponsored or getting paid to do this. This is something that I've been wanting to get for a long time. And I'm just super excited to now have it. So yeah, let's get it opened up and we'll go over what it looks like, what it comes with. We'll talk some numbers on it. So let's see. All right, so here's the manual that comes with it, which I will be spending the rest of the evening on the couch reading it, because I do like going through and checking. So you want to have a drill that has an adjustable clutch on it. Obviously, you don't want to bind up the cable. So that's the first thing with it. The drill you're going to be attaching to here, and it has an arrow on here for which direction you are going to be spinning your drill in. Let me just set this paperwork off to the side. Let's see. So it looks like, okay, good. Just try to go to sleep, okay? Love you. Sorry, brief intermission. Kids are always waking up. So we could see inside of here. Let's see if I can get this thing out. Here's our head, our chain knocker head. Now it did say it came with the Allen key, which I guess they kind of just, did they just toss it in here? It's a good question. I'll have to find it. Kind of surprised that they would do that, but yeah. So this is rated for 1.25 inch up to 2-inch drains. It's 30 feet worth of cable. This is a single chain knocker head. So what's nice about it is that once you get your drill hooked up to it and you start spinning it, the cable actually spins inside the sheath here. So this red sheath does not rotate. So you don't have to worry about wearing, you know, snaking gloves, anything. Obviously you want to be wearing some sort of glove, but you don't have to worry about it getting caught up or stuck to anything. So that's the nice thing. The only thing I'm slightly disappointed in is that they said on the box here, includes the 3mm hex key. So Not that I need it, I obviously have, but it's like, did they just toss it inside? Well, I'll have to play around with it some more, but the quality of it, let's see, this goes into here, and that locks back into place. The quality of it's definitely nice. Oh, I'm a moron. Look at this. Right here is your hex key. That's cool. It probably said in the instruction book that this is where the key goes, but yeah, so that's nice. We could actually take this back out and make sure that the chain is tightened down nicely on here, which it is. Yeah, so some of the negative reviews I saw online, it seemed like people were just not using the product properly. And that's why I want to just take the time this evening to read through the manual, because, you know, I spent $250 on this thing. I want to make sure that I'm using it the right way. I also don't want to worry about it getting broken or stuck in someone's drain. And yeah, it's definitely nice, good quality. It's very lightweight. It's very skinny, so I could easily fit it somewhere inside my truck. So I'm super happy with it. I'll be more happy or happier once I have it used out in the field and seeing exactly how it works. Yeah, I mean, it's very straightforward in terms of making sure that, I know one of the big things I saw online is making sure to have it laid down like this and not to have it standing up, just so that it can uncoil out of the machine properly. But yeah, we will definitely see how it works. I will keep you guys posted on this. Appreciate you guys watching and doing a little bit of a different format than what I've been doing. I've been trying to change it up with my videos and do different things here and there, see what works, what doesn't work. Yeah, and if you guys liked the video, I would definitely appreciate you giving a thumbs up. You could leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've used this tool before, or if it's something that you've worked with something similar. I've never had a chain knocker or a flex shaft, so I'm excited to try it out and see how it goes. If you enjoy my videos and enjoy watching you know, what I post, I would appreciate if you considered subscribing. I'm trying to get to a certain milestone at some point in time with my subscribers. I've been getting a lot of love and feedback and criticism lately, and I appreciate and look at all of it. So I really am thankful for all of that. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening and enjoy the rest of your week and have a safe night. Thank you.